The British Columbia Court of Appeal has issued a ruling on January the 10th, 2020 in the case of AB versus CD. AB is a 15-year-old female-born minor who is taking testosterone to transition to the opposite gender, and the British Columbia courts have ruled that AB is a mature minor and can make medical decisions without parental consent. However, the BC Children's Hospital has warned that girls taking testosterone run the risk of high blood pressure, diabetes, and sometimes the testosterone can convert into estrogen and increase the risk of ovarian cancer, breast cancer, uterine cancer. Girls who take testosterone will likely have permanent infertility. They might, as adults, look like men, but will not be able to father children, nor will they be able to conceive children and get pregnant. Courts seem to have overlooked the fact that most children suffering gender identity confusion will grow out of it by the time they reach 18 if they're allowed to go through the natural process of puberty and get appropriate emotional and psychological support to accept biological reality. This has been demonstrated by, among others, Dr. Ken Zucker and Dr. Susan Bradley, who ran a clinic in Toronto and helped hundreds of children to deal with their gender identity confusion from 1981 to 2015. The BC courts have also overlooked a 2011 study from Sweden on 324 post-operative transgender adults, male to female, female to male, after surgery. These people were deeply miserable and had a suicide rate 19 times higher than the national average. There was a bit of silver lining on the cloud, so to speak, with this court ruling. The lower court ruling of Justice Gregory Bowden had said that the father could not try to persuade his own child to adopt any other medical approach other than taking testosterone, and even went so far as to say that this would constitute family violence. Well, the BC Court of Appeal has overturned that. It is not family violence for a parent to try to talk to a child about different medical options. And with AB being a mature minor, part of maturity is the ability to deal with opposing viewpoints. So we have a small move towards a little bit more respect for freedom of expression and parental rights. I'm John Carpe. Thanks for listening.